Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to change the side light bulbs on the Mark III Mondeo. It's the same process for the forward focus as well. I'm going to be using some LED style lights, bright white ones that Andy Brooks sent me over at HNA Supplies. As always, if you like the videos, hit that subscribe button. I believe it's this side, don't know at the moment, give us a thumbs up. Liking the purple roof so far, it's doing really good. But anyway, matching my top. But I'm going to crack on and show you how to do this. Release these two and undo these little plastic clips. These are normally Phillips, so you can undo them with the Phillips if you've got them, but in my case I've got Allen key. And then it just like slides out, rest that up on the top. Then here you've got one slide pin and another slide pin. Then when you've got these two pins out, one here and one here, what you do, just lift and pull out. Leave the wiring intact, click out. Get your Phillips, whatever you've flatted. There you go. So you must make sure they're in the right way. And just push them back in, get your cap. Job's done. Slide it back together the way you took it out. I'll say that and this won't go back in now. Get your pins, put them back in. And there it is, all done. So let's crack on with the other side now. Okay, so I'm doing the passenger side now, so you move little clips like so. Slide the light out, I've left it on so you can see what I'm doing. Slide it out. I'm not disconnecting the harness this time. Here's your side light, click it, pull out. Get a flathead or whatever your preferred method is. Locate the light, slide out. These things are LED, they don't generate a lot of heat, so you'll be fine to do that. Get your new LED from Andy Brooks. Making sure you put it in the correct way, not that way, because these things are pole protective, whatever the wording is. And then just put it back in place, click your cap back in, slide your light back in. As you can see, it's all working, it's bright white. Put your pins back in. Then put your front back in. Put two black clips back in. Do one. And that's it, all done. And that, guys, is how you do the side lights on the Mark III Mondeo. I've got my little GoPro here, so some of the footage may come from this. I'm hoping you like the purple roof. It's not finished yet by far, but so thanks to Andy Brooks for checking them out, getting them sorted out for us. Also, thanks to everyone for the support. You know, I started this just over a year ago, and I just want to thank you all for following and watching me do the work on this car. In the future, there are going to be some other cars coming along. I'm in talks with a couple of people with other cars, and I'm going to be buying and working on, so you can see that I can do more than just a Mondeo. So crack on, hit that subscribe button, and give us a thumbs up for these videos. So hit the subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, and I'm going to go and put it all back together now. Thanks for watching.